Meet Sneezy the Snail. He's got a big Achoo coming.
Uh-oh. I feel a sneeze, but I don't want to be loud. Maybe I'll just hold it in.
Stop right there, Sneezy. Holding in a sneeze? That's a no-no.
Why not, Dr. Achoo?
Sneezes blast out air super fast like a rocket. If you trap it, it can hurt your nose, ears, or even your brain parts. Yikes!
Whoa, so what should I do?
Let it out. But do it right. Cover your mouth with a tissue or your elbow.
Chew, that felt great. Thanks, Dr. Achoo.
Remember, kids, sneezes are body rockets. Don't hold them in. Let them fly the safe way. Cover that sneeze and stay at ease.